Hello everyone and welcome to our session where we discuss how seeking to understand more than seeking to be understood is going to help us move closer to our objective of business. We all know that communication or the art of communication is one of the most important skill sets that any one of us could have, whether it's a student, whether it's a businessman, whether it is anybody. So, what are the types of communication that we have and how do we communicate? Speaking, reading, writing, listening, right? Now, of these, if you look at our own self, typically we have been trained since childhood to speak, to write, right? And to read also. But what we are not taught since childhood is how to listen. But let me tell you that listening as a way of communicating is one of the most important skill sets which one needs to imbibe if he or she has to be effective in his business, in his profession, in his studies, in anything. But what we typically do is we say that we want to, yes, we listen. I mean, everybody will think that no, I pay great attention. There are 4 types of listeners. One is selective, one is attentive, one is pretentive. And you very well know what all these 3 mean. Selective is somebody who will want to listen to just whatever is of his interest and leave the rest. Pretentive is he is just pretending that he is listening to you, but his mind is somewhere else. Attentive is he is not really interested in what you are saying, but he is attending. He is just attentive, that's all. To be respectful to you, for that matter. But the 4th type of listener is the the emphatic listener. Now, why emphatic? Emphatic comes from the word empathy. Here, emphatic listener is somebody who tries to understand in entirety what the other person is trying to communicate. What is the underlying meaning? He is not reactive. He does not wait to respond. See, many of us, what we do is, we may be listening, but we are either trying to evaluate what the other person is saying so we can agree or disagree, or we are trying to advise him, waiting to advise him, so that but that too is from our perspective or our framework. We also ask questions which come from our understanding of the whole thing. So basically, when we are trying to listen, we are not actually listening. We are just paying attention. So if you want to really become emphatic listeners, to be able to understand the underlying meaning, what you really need to do is listen not just through your ears, but your focus should be on what the other person is trying to communicate in terms of his issues or his side of things or his perspective. That will help you to understand why he is saying what he is saying. And once that is understood, so you are seeking more to understand. So once you understand that in the right perspective, you will definitely provide a much better proposal, whether it is in terms of a sales solution, whether it is in terms of a pricing solution, or any business matter for that reason. So you'll be able to provide a much better option to him as a vendor, as a customer, as anybody. And this will bring in a win-win. This will create more confidence about you. Tell me honestly, will you go to a doctor whose diagnosis you don't trust? I don't think so, right? So similarly, here, if you seek to understand him better, you will definitely create a lot of confidence about yourself vis-a-vis him. And that will help you not just in that particular instance, but it will take you a long way. Now let's take an example of emphatic listening. What is emphatic listening? Say you are sitting with a customer and some negotiations are going on, he is insistent upon a price for your product. If he says, if you give me this price, I will buy this product from you. In normal business situations, what anybody would do, tell me? They would just either discount it to whatever extent it is possible, or leave the order. So we are not thinking of win-win if we are working like that. We are thinking of lose-win. And are we gaining out of it? No. Because the approach itself is lose-win. You either lose the entire order or you lose the price. So if I want to create a win-win, let's see now how seeking to understand here in this situation is going to help create a win-win. Let us take this conversation further. So you may ask, if you are an emphatic listener, you will ask questions from his perspective. And how is that? That is, you will tell him, or you will ask him that, sir, why are you insisting upon this price that the competitive vendor is offering you? Is it your budget? Is it just that his price is less and that's the only reason? Or what is it? What is your real reason of asking me to meet that price? Do you think it is a cost saving? So he will say, yes, definitely for me it is a cost saving. Then you need to tell him that, sir, if you look at the quality of my competitor's product, 3 in 10 pieces fail. So that 3 pieces need to be replaced. So there comes a cost of replacement, there comes a cost of repair, if not replacement. So the overall cost, if you see, will exceed your budget despite you buying it at a lower price. Vis-a-vis this, if you buy my product, only 1 in 10 fails. So straight there is a 20% reduction in failure. And even if I take this incremental price, with this just 10% of failure, you are able to save much more than you would save in the other option on a holistic basis. If still you would want to go with your competitor, we request you think one more time. Now, do you see that this kind of communication kind of becomes an eye opener for the customer, and he rethinks. And he recalculates. He will also appreciate that you are not just trying to sell your product, but you are trying to solve a solution, create a solution for him. So you have created a win-win. And that is how emphatic listening can help you change or turn tables, change conversations from negative to positive, and be effective. I sincerely request all of you out there to give this a very deep thought, because communication is something we keep on doing. I mean, it's either we are reading, we are writing, we are listening, we are speaking. So communicating right, or rather listening right, or in the right manner, will definitely give you a lot of added advantage and make you much more effective in business. Thank you.